Oh my goodness. Good afternoon. I'm Darlene Templeton with Templeton and Associates, and I'm so excited. The PMI Fall Development Day is coming up on September 24th, and I'm going to be the afternoon keynote. It's going to be on how to unleash your superhero powers. So excited because each and every one of you project managers out there are already superheroes, but I'm going to teach you some secret ways to really unleash that leadership. I also want to talk about how excited I am about the conference. It's called Transcending Industries, and they're going to have 4 tracks: IT, public sector, healthcare, and construction, to really highlight your industry. But what I learned with all my years in the business world is project management goes across all businesses, all disciplines, and all industries. So I'm so excited. I also want to tell you, so please register now. This is one you don't want to miss. And your morning keynote, and I can't wait to meet him, is Skip Wiseman, and he's going to be talking about the things that I love so much: how to influence and impact your key stakeholders, which is so important. He's also got a workshop in the morning called the 3 Levels of Leadership. And I'm excited because in the afternoon, I'm doing a workshop called Can You Hear Me Now? And it's about how to validate your stakeholders' key requirements. I'm so excited. Thank you to the entire board. More than that, thank you to each of you for joining us. If you haven't registered, do it now. You're going to get 7 PDUs. But the other thing is you're going to get a day for you, both personally and professionally, where you're meeting other people in your industry, other people across your profession. You're meeting potential partners, clients, colleagues, and it's just a great day to be out of the office, by the way, and to be finding out what else you can do to continue to grow. Because I'll tell you, without people like you in the PMI industry and being a project manager, this stuff just doesn't get done. I promise you that. So I just want to say I'm so excited. Darlene Templeton, Skip, I can't wait to meet you, and I hope to see each and every one of you there. I want to leave you with one comment. Think about what your number 1 strongest leadership superhero power is, and then we'll talk about it more at the conference. Register today. I can't wait to see you. If you have any questions, I'm at darlenetempleton.com. Please let me know how I can help, and I can't wait to see you when we get there. Have an awesome day. See you soon, superheroes. Thank you so much. Bye.